Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money drain away in high energy bills? Every month you see the energy bill and wonder, where is all that money going? And if you're managing a commercial, industrial, government building, you know that the stakes are quite high. Wasted energy isn't just a line item, it's lost profit, missed sustainability targets, and a sign that your building isn't performing as well as it should. Now, if you're ready to stop the drain and start seeing real savings, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Bruce Rouse from the Sustainability Education Academy. I spent most of my time in energy efficiency, most of my career in energy efficiency. So why do energy audits matter? Well, firstly, just welcome to our channel where we focus on energy efficiency sustainability. Today I'm looking at how an energy audit can help you transform your bottom line. For an energy advisor, engineer, energy manager or sustainability officer, you actually know already that this isn't just theory. This is about how energy audits catalyze real measurable results. And if you know nothing about energy audits, well, keep watching. What is an energy audit? Well, an energy audit is a comprehensive examination of your building energy usage. Think of it as a health check for your facility's energy performance. And the goal is to identify where energy is being wasted, uncover energy in the hidden inefficiencies, and provide you with a roadmap or a plan or a business case for improvement. Now, a professional energy audit goes far beyond just a quick walkthrough. It involves reviewing utility bills, inspecting equipment, measuring system performance, and using advanced tools to find issues that you just can't see with your naked eye. The result is a detailed report that shows you exactly where your money is going and how to keep more of it in your pocket. So why would you bother with an energy audit? Well, here's some of the benefits that you get. You'll get cost savings. Well, no, an energy audit won't give you cost savings, but it will show you how to achieve cost savings. So by pinpointing inefficiencies, energy audits help you identify where the wastage is and what you need to do to lower your energy bills. For many buildings, this means savings of thousands, or for larger buildings, tens of thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of dollars a year, depending on the size of the facility. It shows you how to improve your energy efficiency. Energy audits provide actionable recommendations that, when implemented, will enhance your building's performance, whether they're lighting upgrades through to optimizing the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. And then you can also get enhanced comfort. So by addressing issues like air leaks and poor insulation, energy audits show you how to improve comfort for occupants, which can reduce complaints and boost productivity. Data-driven decision-making. Energy audits give you the hard data you need to make smart investments, prioritize upgrades, and track your progress over time. So how do energy audits actually catalyze savings on energy bills? So to get very specific, according to the US Department of Energy, a typical energy audit will identify how a facility can save between 5% and 30% on their energy bills. For a mid-sized commercial building, that can mean $20,000, $50,000, or even more in annual savings. So how does it work? Well, firstly, hire a professional consultant or a qualified professional. Now, not all energy audits are created equal. Believe me, I've seen many of them. There's a vast variation in quality. Look for energy auditors with a recognised certification like the Investment Grade Energy Auditor IGEA from the Sustainability Education Academy. Certified auditors use proven methodologies and advanced tools to deliver reliable results. Now, let's talk about some of these tools and techniques that an advanced auditor will use. Modern energy audits will employ infrared cameras, data loggers, energy modelling software to uncover issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. These tools will help auditors find hidden leaks, insulation gaps, and equipment that's running inefficiently. Now, implement recommendations. This is fundamental. The real savings come from action. Actually, all the savings come from action. Upgrading lighting, tuning your HVAC systems, changing operating schedules, sealing leaks, installing smart controls are just a few of the measures that can deliver immediate and long-term savings. And then the best energy audits include a plan for measurement and verification. So you're verifying and tracking the savings. M&V, measurement and verification, enables this so that you can see the impact of your investments, see if the savings are expected, or if not, see what's going wrong and adjust as needed. So what's involved in the energy audit process? I'm going to just briefly step through the key steps involved in a professional energy audit. Firstly, there's the pre-audit review. So this is where the energy auditor will review your building's energy consumption patterns, historical data, and existing energy management practices. Often they'll ask for a lot of data from you, like your energy bills, asset register, building plans, and things like that. Secondly, there's an on-site audit. The auditor conducts a thorough inspection using tools like that I mentioned before, like infrared cameras, airflow meters, data loggers, to identify inefficiencies. Thirdly, there's the data analysis point where the data collected is analysed to uncover trends, benchmark performance, and identify the most impactful opportunities for improvement. And finally, fourth, you get a detailed comprehensive report detailing the findings, prioritising the recommendations, and providing the estimated costs and benefits and savings for each measure. So the process ensures that the recommendations are tailored to your building's unique needs and they're not just generic advice. So what are some common energy savings measures that energy audits typically recommend? Here are some of the most common and the most effective measures. So lighting upgrades. Replacing outdated lighting with high efficiency LEDs can cut costs by 50% or more. But what if the building already has LED lighting? Well, depending on its age and efficiency, upgrading to the latest LED technology that may include inbuilt sensors to minimise needless light operation can still give really good savings with a reasonable return on investment. Then there's HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning system optimization. Tuning or upgrading these systems can often deliver major savings, particularly in older buildings. So I'm talking savings of 20% plus. Insulation upgrades. Improving insulation reduces heat loss in winter and heat gain in summer, lowering heating and cooling costs. Then we have smart building technologies, optimizing building management systems, BMS systems, and making best use of IoT sensors allows for real-time monitoring and control, maximizing efficiency when you actually spend the time to analyze and act on the data that's provided. And then finally, there's energy conservation. Energy conservation is just choosing to use less energy. And sometimes simple changes like adjusting set points or scheduling equipment to the way equipment is scheduled can deliver big results with just zero capital cost. So what are the barriers to energy audits and how do we overcome them? So, despite there being some clear benefits, some building owners and managers hesitate to invest in energy audits. Well, why is this? Firstly, they're concerned about the cost of the audit. The upfront cost of hiring an auditor can be a barrier. Many audits, when acted on, pay for themselves within a few months from the low-cost, no-cost savings opportunities that have been identified. And there's a lack of awareness. Many decision makers simply don't know what an energy audit is and how valuable it can be in identifying what can be done and what's the most cost-effective plan to reduce energy use and what the business case is. And that's basically what an energy audit does. It provides you a business case showing the most cost-effective way of reducing your energy consumption. And there's concerns about the complexity. The process can seem overwhelming, especially for large or complex facilities. So how do you overcome these barriers? Well, firstly, educate yourself. Learn about the energy audit process and its benefits. Studies and talk professionals. And make sure if you're commissioning an audit that you know what you're talking about. The short course, Commissioning, Managing and Reviewing an Energy Audit on the Sustainability Education Academy can quickly bring you up to speed and show you how to get the most from your audit. Secondly, you can seek professional help. Hire a qualified, certified investment-grade energy auditor who can guide you through the process and deliver actionable results. And then prioritise the recommendations. Focus on the most impactful, lowest risk, cost-effective measures first. Quick wins can build in momentum for deeper improvements. So here's some more advanced tips on maximising the value of your audit. Firstly, this is actually not an advanced tip, this is just a 101 tip, fundamental. Don't just file the Energy Audit Report, act on it. The biggest mistake is letting the Energy Audit Report just gather dust and taking no action. Make a plan, assign responsibilities and track progress. And I actually believe that this needs to start before the Energy Audit. I urge you to take that course, Commissioning, Managing and Reviewing an Energy Audit, because it talks a lot about this. Even before the audit is undertaken, make sure that you have the resources available to implement its recommendations, because believe me, it's going to be telling you to invest time and money, and you need to make sure those resources are available to implement their recommendations. Secondly, you can leverage incentives. Many utilities and governments offer rebates or incentives for energy audits or upgrades. Take advantage of these programs to offset costs. Thirdly, then integrate with your sustainability goals. Use the energy audit as a springboard for broader sustainability initiatives, such as meeting your carbon reduction targets that you may have set, or maybe even getting a green building certification. And then you need to measure and verify, monitor as well. Set up systems to track your savings over time. This not only proves the value of your investments, but it helps you catch issues early and optimize performance. So what's your next step? If you're ready to take control of your energy bills and unlock real savings, you can start by deepening your understanding of energy audits and best practices. If you want an energy audit undertaking your facility, I highly recommend the course Commissioning, Managing and Reviewing an Energy Audit, which provides you a brief but comprehensive guide to getting the most from an energy audit. I actually developed this course as an energy auditor myself because I was tremendously frustrated with clients who didn't know what they were getting into and consequently didn't have the resources ready to act on my advice. And I don't like providing advice that isn't acted on. If you'd like to start doing energy audits yourself, and I recommend that you have an engineering or technology background, you can take the first free lessons from the Investment Grade Energy Auditor certification at the Sustainability Education Academy. So whether you're looking to save money, boost your career, or drive sustainability in your organisation, taking these steps to learn more will help you achieve that. So let's recap. Energy audits are a proven, data-driven way that show you how to cut energy bills, improve building performance, and support your sustainability goals. By understanding your energy usage, identifying inefficiencies, and implementing targeted improvements, and then by acting on the advice in the energy audit, you can enjoy significant cost savings and a more comfortable, resilient building with a lowered carbon footprint. Don't let high energy bills drain your resources. Invest in a professional energy audit, act on the recommendations, and watch the savings accumulate. If you found this valuable, please subscribe to more content on energy efficiency and sustainability. And please, if you have any questions or comments, just put them in here below this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.